Okay, quick rundown for when we get our adrenal stress index box because the instructions inside are rather confusing. So, when we open the box, we end up with several pieces of paper plus this one. Unless I've had to mail it to you, when I give it to you in clinic, I will fill out what I need to, but the patient information here in gray is for obviously the patient to fill out. And then when you take the test, on the day that you take the test, you're going to put in every time that you spit in your vials here and the time that you last ate, so that we are tracking all of that. And then you will fill out anything else here that is relevant to you. But so that's that. This is the only space you need to worry about. Then we get to the vials. There are 5 vials in there. However, I occasionally give you an extra vial. So when I give you an extra vial, we'll talk about that personally. But 4 of the vials have cotton inside. When you do your test, you are going to take this cotton and put it in your mouth and suck on it for a good 5 minutes or so. It'll be lots of fun. You'll love me for it. But you'll want to do it when you've had at least 10 minutes or so with nothing in your mouth besides water. So, and I would highly advise about a minute before you do that test, any of these tests where we have the cotton in your mouth, that please don't rinse your mouth out right before you take that test. There is one vial that is no cotton in it, and that you are going to have to spit. It took me about 20 minutes worth of little spits to fill it up enough, because we need it. There are markers here that say 4, 5, etc. We need you to fill it up to about 4. So it may take you a good 20 minutes worth of spitting into that cup. That H vial is the one that you are going to use after you do a carbohydrate test, carbohydrate stimulation test. So it'll tell you in the instructions, because I do want you to read the instructions. It will give you some suggestions of what you need to eat 1 hour before that H vial. That's where we're testing to see how you react, how your insulin does, and how you react to carbs. But so this carbohydrate stimulation test will give you some ideas of what you should take, what you should eat about an hour before you do the spit in the cup, okay? So you're going to take all 4 of these, or pardon me, all 5 vials, all in a 24-hour period. Please do, after you've used one, put it in the refrigerator, and then at the end of the day, or when you're going to get ready the next day to take it to the post office, pull them out of the fridge and bundle them up so you can take them to the post office right away. I'm sure I'm missing something, so you can always call us and ask if you have any other questions. But that's everything's to be completed in a 24-hour period. And if you can't get the kit to the post office the next day, please refrigerate it and get it to the post office within 3 days. Okay,